and again. I feel it in waves.
So we just left Emporium, Kansas. Kelsey and I are in the 4Runner. We're actually headed up to a little town called Walcott, Iowa, to Cheyenne Camping Center. We bought, or are going to buy, a camper. So last night we drove from Amarillo all the way to Emporium, about 7 hours or so, and caught a few hours of sleep in the back here with Bella and in a Walmart parking lot. But now we're headed to get our camper. So we will do some videoing when we get there of it, and yeah, it should be fun. Alright, so we're on our way back from Walcott, Iowa. We just left the Cheyenne Camping Center, which is where I bought this brand new 2019 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16BHS, which is a small little single axle bunkhouse travel trailer. This is the reason we came all the way to Iowa. In short, we came here because this place has the best prices of anywhere I've looked in Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, by at least like $4,000 for the same camper. For whatever reason, closer to where they're being made, I don't know. I think this place sells so many campers that they can discount certain models a lot. So we made the trek over here to do it, and so we are pulling it with a 2013 Toyota 4Runner. So it's got the 4.0 V6, it's got the tow package. The camper itself weighs, I think it weighs 2,800 pounds dry. So when you think about being loaded, so you may be thinking 3,500 pounds. The towing capacity on a 2013 4Runner is 5,000, I believe. So this will suffice. It'll do good. They put a equalizer hitch and anti-sway bars on the hitch, so it sits level. It keeps the trailer nice and straight. We got a trailer brake module installed down here that plugs in and goes to the trailer. Right now we are cruising at about 65. I slid it over into the standard mode so that I can control the gears, because I know I've read that if you leave it in regular drive mode, it'll go into overdrive and overheat your transmission on these 4Runners. So just keep it in fourth and cruising at 65. I'm sure the miles per gallon are going to go down quite a bit, but she's handling it pretty good. So we're on our way trying to make it back to at least Kansas City, where we can stay at a KOA there and plug in and use our air conditioner, since last night we stayed back here and it was nice and muggy. But the Cheyenne Camping Center was a really cool place. They have a bunch of campers. They have the best prices that I've seen. They gave us a bottle of champagne and a little rose for Kelsey. They really loved seeing Bella. They pet her and gave her a treat, and they let us just go anywhere in there. Dogs were allowed, and everybody was stopping and petting her. And they're kind of just a no-fuss dealership. You know, there's no extra fees, there's no hidden costs. The price you see is the price you get, and that's one of the main reasons I chose to go with them. And of course, a brand new camper with a warranty, and you know, he just said, give us a call. He's like, if you need a part, we'll send you a new part. And they were just really cool, so I highly recommend checking them out. They've got an eBay store that is where myself and my dad found the campers that we liked. And so I do plan on doing a full review and showing all the features of this camper. I don't know if it'll be this video in particular. It may be the next one, but we're hoping to be able to do quite a few trips in this, and hopefully that'll allow us a good home base for whatever adventures we decide to go on. So I believe that is it for now. We're gonna just look at the scenery, I guess, and try to make it to Kansas City. So after we got our camper, I was really excited, as I drive a truck for a living, and so did my dad when we were growing up. But when I looked at the Cheyenne Camping Center on the map, it was right across the interstate from the I-80 truck stop, which, if you don't know what that is, it is the world's largest truck stop. And they've got a truck museum with a bunch of rebuilt trucks. And so we got the camper and we decided to drive over there and park and go through the museum and get some merchandise. The museum was really cool. I don't know how many trucks they had in there, 50 or more trucks from way back in the day up until, from what I could tell, maybe the 80s or something was the last trucks that were in there. But most of them are all refurbished and redone, and it was really cool. So we got a couple shirts and took some pictures and then got some drinks to hit the road. So it was a really neat deal though. So I needed to do a little correction on the weight of the trailer. I went back there and looked, and this one's actually 3,500 pounds. And the 4Runner is rated at 5,000, so it's still well within the range, even after being loaded with some stuff. But so far the 4Runner's done really good with it. It's averaged, I've checked it 3 times, it has averaged 11.5 miles per gallon, 12.1, and then this last one was 11. So we've gone through a lot of hills on this last tank, so that struggles a little bit because it's searching for the right gear pulling the hills. Like right now it's switching between 3rd and 4th, but overall it's doing really well. It's not making us sway too much. Of course we have the anti-sway on there, and anyways, that's real good. So we got about 3 more hours and then we'll be home, and hopefully soon I'll be able to do a video on this camper. But anyways, we'll continue our way home.